Hello there, my live lovelies. Thank you so much for joining me, and apologies, it's been a bit of a while since I last posted. Just trying to sort of juggle stuff in my personal life, my family, working, looking for a job, got a new extension, etc., blah de blah. Boring, I know. But the pressure of trying to post every week was actually starting to stunt my creativity, So I'm just going to post when I can, and I hope you'll bear with me. Anyway, back to the video. This is the second of two of this nature. I did a collaboration with Lousie Singleton, number 161, if you haven't checked it out. And I was just playing around with mixed media and updating these little frames. So this is the second, this is kind of part two. And once I've played around with this, this is just filler. And I coloured it with some interference pink, powder and interference blue from Resin. I also painted it using various acrylic paints, and I didn't bother. I did film it, but I've lost the footage, so that's another reason for the delay. I was just looking for the footage everywhere, so I've had to post without it. But I show you in video 161 how I sort of coloured it all in, so bear with me, caller. I also added so I coloured it, then I put a layer of resin, and I added some of these Turquoise Sea flakes from Resin. They're so beautiful. And I also thought I'd chuck some of this stuff in. I'm not sure what it's called, angel hair or something like that. Anyway, let's go to the demold and you can see the results so far. Well, hello there, my live lovelies. Okay, so I'm just about to start work, and I just could not resist having a look and seeing the results of my little experiment. Are you ready? So I have not peeked. I'm just going to have a look. Oh, wow, that looks really cool. I think I might need to do another layer though, don't you? But some interesting effects there. Definitely, but I think it needs another layer. Maybe of clear with a bit of silver going through it. But I'm quite pleased with that. It's stuck to the back. There we go. But that was a cool experiment, wasn't it? So video 161 does show you the initial stickers that I put onto the first frame, and that's how I got the stencil, like the outline bit for this next bit. Just thought I'd explain. Use, what is left as kind of a stencil. So I've been gradually sort of pulling it up, and it's all sticking to everything. But you can be fairly rough with this, she says. There we go. There's one bit that's come off. And then I'm going to get my other one and stick this on here. Try and untangle it a bit, so this may take some time. So I'm not quite sure how to do this, whether to do it that down the centre, down the side. What do you think? I think maybe down the centre, possibly. You know what, I'm going to rip it in half. She said it's quite difficult to rip, actually. Really good. That'll make it easier to space it out, I think. And then they will go either side, like so. Hey there, my live lovelies. Okay, this is what I've done. It's a work in progress. I do need to tidy it up, but I'm quite pleased so far. It kind of, I don't know, gives it some dimension. But anyway, still playing, so I will be back. Bye. Alrighty, hello there, my little lovelies. Sorry, my Dorset accent's coming out there. So I have stuck this on, which I think adds a bit more dimension. It's not the most professional of jobs, shall we say, but what I have done then is just coloured it with this deco colour, and because it's looking incredibly rough around the edges, I am going to try and disguise it somehow. Master of disguise I am. And I'm going to paint the frame silver as well. So that's what I'm going to do next, and then I'll figure out what I'm going to do in terms of the whether I'll add colour again, or I don't know. It's starting to look a bit busy, so I'm probably going to have to rein myself in, so which is not easy, you know. Okay, so I hope you can see all that. Yeah, I got you in shot. Excellent start. Right, okay, I'll be back. Right guys, so I've finished colouring this silver, and I decided to paint the frame as well, just roughly. I quite liked the effect that it gave, but there's lots of imperfections here, so what are we going to do? We're going to cover them up. And I'm going to do that with these little flowers, which I thought went beautifully. Honestly, I tried so many things. I thought broken glass, I thought stickers, I thought stencils, I thought tattoos. Nothing was right. And then I thought these colours just go beautifully. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm gloved up, I'm going to put my mask on, and then I'm going to use some of this UV resin and my lamp. This is my lamp. It's really good. It's 168 watts. None of this 36 watt malarkey. You need a high wattage lamp, in my opinion. Right, okay, I'm going to get cracking on this, and let's go. Hello again, voiceover Live Sleep Resin here. So I'm just putting, so the reason I am touching it with UV resin is these are very, very light and they will float. So that is the only reason. So I'm literally just putting the UV resin in the bits that I want, then placing the little flowers over them, and then blasting them with the lamp, really. And I'm not really spending that much time, I don't think. Probably about a minute, giving it a minute, and then I add another layer of resin on top, just to secure them in place. Sorry, I think that was our bread maker pinging in the background. And then we'll go to the deep mould. So this is the final result, my live lovelies. I was really, really pleased with how they turned out eventually. Some of these little things have like dropped off, so I'm going to have to replace them. But essentially, I'm really pleased at the transformation, and I hope you are too. Do check out video 161 as well, and I would love to know which of these two you prefer, whether you prefer this version or like the wave that I did in video 161. I hope you guys are all having a lovely, lovely day in the UK. It's bright sunshine, and wish you all well, and speak to you soon. Bye.